This production line for rolled paper consists of 3 machines: the ZDFJ2900 full automatic toilet, tissue, and kitchen towel rewinding machine, the F2OL2 log saw cutting machine, and the FT6 full automatic toilet paper and kitchen towel roll wrapper. It is suitable for producing toilet rolls and kitchen rolls with a maximum original paper width of 2,860 millimeters and finished product diameters ranging from 90 to 300 millimeters. The tightness of the rolls is freely adjustable. The system features touchscreen controls, convenient parameter settings, and a user-friendly interface.